Can I make a big purchase right before my divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a question that came up last month. A woman met with us and she's headed toward divorce. She has some savings and she really needs a car. So the car that she's driving is in rough shape. She needs to buy a new one. And she was wondering whether she can dip into that savings and buy herself a car with the divorce on the horizon. So the way that this works is that technically, until there is a divorce actually filed and served, there are no real restrictions on what the parties can do with their assets. So only when the divorce is filed and the other party served is there an automatic restraining order. And essentially, that's not a restraining order for violence like you usually hear about, but a restraining order essentially freezing the assets, prohibiting the parties from making any significant transfers or changes without either an agreement from the other side or permission from the court. So if there is nothing filed, then there is really no restriction on what you can do. However, what I'm suggesting is that you keep the following in mind. If you are definitively heading toward divorce, then you want to make sure that if you make a significant change, that you will be able to convince a judge that that change or that move was justifiable. And so on one end of the spectrum, you have someone spending some money on something they definitively need, like, for example, a car. On the other end of the spectrum, you have someone siphoning off marital money, just trying to hide marital money, or engaging in suspicious transactions that really have no basis in the well-being of the family, but are more to position an individual for divorce, or worse yet, to attempt to hide assets. So what I would suggest is, if you are considering making a major purchase, a major transfer transaction, and you're headed toward divorce, that you speak to a reliable attorney beforehand. You want to make sure that you are not doing anything that is ultimately going to compromise your credibility with the court. So the answer to this question is yes, you technically can make a major transfer or purchase before divorce, especially if the divorce hasn't been filed and served yet. However, my recommendation is to run it by an attorney first. Make sure that you're not doing anything that's going to hurt you in the eyes of the court. If you have any other questions, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, share this with anyone you think might benefit from it, and you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.